Hi traders and welcome to the channel. This is Evans ProfitMaxTrader. Now today we are going to look at how you can trade the Deriv Even Odd or which strategy you can use to trade the Deriv Even Odd entries or trade type. And even odd trading is based on whether the last digit of the next tick is an even number or an odd number. It's as simple as that, okay? Now, when you come to the ProfitMax site, there are many tools that help you with that, but I'll just pick this tool and I'll just use it to be able to explain what even digits are and odd digits are, okay? So you come to this digit analysis tool here, you can see the percentages with the circles, and you can see, for example, here, 0 is an even digit, 2 is an even digit, 4 is an even digit, 6, 8, those are even digits, okay? Just like the way you went to school, and they're normally divisible by 2, okay? Then odd digits are 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. They're all shown here. Now, instead of simply guessing even or odd, we have to look at how the recent digits are distributed, okay? So what I want to see is whether one side is showing stronger pressure while the opposite side is showing or becoming weaker, okay? And for you to be able to know this, you look at those green, blue, red, and yellow circles. Those colors represent, for example, if it's green and blue, they represent the highest percentage digits, and then you look at whether it's even or odd, okay? So for example, in our case here, we can see digit 3 at 11.1%, followed by digit 5, and both are odd digits. It has switched, it's back. So you can see here clearly, odd is dominating, but you should not just enter blindly and run the bot. You need to check again whether the least digit, which is normally depicted by color red, and the second least digit percentage, which is depicted by color yellow, are even. Okay, in that case, that market is odd dominating, and then now you wait for the entry, which we are going to look at in a short while. But basically here, it's just reading those colors. So the blue and green represent the highest percentages, okay? Green being the highest percentage, followed by blue, and then the least is red, followed by yellow, okay? Now, this is important because that is how you get the even odd pressure analysis and then guides you to your final run running of the bot, okay? You can see here we are being told even structure observed. If you look at the color codes, it has retracted, but you can see 0 is even at 11.2, and then currently blue is fluctuating between odd, so it's not very strong, and that is why the next tool that I will show you, or this particular tool, if you use it, it will be able to give you the final. You can see it has retracted, and you can see even at 83%, it's not at 100%. So these tools will do that calculation or analysis to be able to give you the exact even or odd prime entries, and then you run the bots. Now, in this video, I'll be able to show you the Surge AI. This tool here will be able to assist you identify even, odd, and then you load your bot and then simply run. It will wait for the right conditions to be met and then start taking trades, okay? So once you come to the tool, all you need to do is to auto scan like that and then scan markets. Scan markets, and there you can see it has identified for us 25-1s odd. All you need to do is to input your stake and then load. Let me scroll down, load the bot. So the stake will be input, observe here, you can see setup loaded, and then wait for this run button to open up. You can see it's closed, it's opened up. You run the bot like that. And then now you come and observe the remaining conditions. These are the remaining conditions that need to be met, and then it will start taking trades, okay? So the bot is also specialized. It's also monitoring these conditions, and then it will start taking trades. For you to be able to analyze or look at this guide, these are the parameters, even odd strategy instructions. For even strategy, green and blue need to be both even. Both green and blue bars should be above 11%. Red and yellow should either be odd digits or a mix of odd and even. Red, which is the least appearing, needs to be 8.6% or below. Yellow bar needs to be 9%, 9.5% or below, okay? Then the entry point is you wait for the tick pointer to pick odd digit among the least appearing, that is red and yellow. If even digit is picked within the next 3 ticks, the bot runs or you enter immediately. And then again, odd, you can read by yourself once you come to the site, and you can see there are conditions for you, not unless you are very experienced, to be able to analyze manually and get all these conditions right, and then eventually identify the entry point and run. Okay, it's not easy, and that is why we have created the ProfitMax Surge AI and most of the tools here to be able to do this type of analysis for you. And you can see there, red represents the least appearing digit, yellow is the second least appearing digit, green is the most appearing digit, blue is the second most appearing digit. Okay, so all of this is being captured by this tool, and then it's waiting for those conditions. You can even see right now it has not taken any trades because the conditions have not been met. Okay, so this is a very interesting tool, one of the best tools out here on Deriv Trading, and you can be able to learn at the same time capture trades by the use or use this tool to guide you. Okay, this is the Surge AI terminal, even odd, rise and fall, but we are focusing today on even odd. It does very well. Now, once you notice the market has retracted like that, you can see so far only 3 conditions are met. Actually, 1 out of 4 structured rules. You can simply stop the bot there and then come back, turn auto scan on, and then scan markets like that. Okay, and then you wait for it to scan markets, and then once it has identified like that, this is 25 awareness again, you load, and then you simply wait for the conditions to be met. Okay, so it varies from time to time. Like I'm shooting the video, hopefully let's hope we get an entry, but I believe you've understood or gotten the basics of how to what even odd trading is, and the strategy we are using here is the even odd pressure analysis. And then to top it up, we have a tool that is able to identify almost all those conditions. Okay, around 8 conditions, and you can also see here what it's waiting for. Okay, so that is how you use this tool, and you can always try it out on demo. Let's hope we get trades, but all you need to do in case you see the market is not favoring, you simply, of course, stop the bot if you had run it, and then scan markets again like that. Okay, let's hope we get at least even 1 entry, and you look at the performance. So 101s even, so I've loaded the bot, and then I run, wait for this to open up. We should be able to get an entry here. There we are. You can see only 2 conditions, and there we are. Okay, all conditions have been met, and the tool is now running and taking trades. And you can see the performance, targeting 3 times your stake, And then the beauty about the bot, you can see it has not stopped physically there because we have three conditions that have retracted. The bot has also stopped. Okay, you can see. And so far we've made $49. So you can wait again like that. If the conditions align, you will see it taking the trades, guys, okay? And then, of course, you can also read the strategy guide here. It's here for you to read and learn. And once you master this, you can also still take trades by using any other tool that is around here. But we've made things very easy for you, including even up to loading the bot. And I believe you can see how this tool is performing wonders. There is no tool that is 100% has a 100% win rate, but at least you can see, like now you can either stop the bot and you've made almost close to $50, and then distribute your trading sessions, then hunt for a good market, and then enter the market. Okay. So now in our case here, you can see we are trading even, and you can see 0 is even at 11.5. 6 is even at 11.1, and there we have an entry. It has retracted again. Okay, so once you see, for example, the even digits here are above 11.5 or higher. These are very thin line. It's bordering 11% exact, 11.2. So you want them to be at least give a good gap, 11 or even 12%, 12%, 11.7, around there. That is where now you can also run the tool. Right now you can see we are still making headway. Of course, it will be able to capture the trades, but depending on the pressure analysis, the pressure that is around these digits in terms of even. And you can see right now, even is at 11.4, and then followed by 9, which is odd, and you can see here green and blue must be even. So right now 9 is an odd digit, and you can see that is why the tool and the system has stopped, because there is no alignment in terms of what we want to trade. Okay, it's very simple. Again, it will coach you, it will guide you, and you will be able to know. You can see now systems are aligning again. We are only waiting for the weak odd digit, and then there's retraction again. So you can keep reading here and you'll be able to know what is remaining, and then it will align. But this is a thin one because 11%, digit 6 is at 11% sharp, and then 0 at 11.2. And you can see it's retracting on and off, okay? So the pressure is not very high, but it's there. It's there, guys, okay? So I think we should be able to end the video at that. Try it out on demo. I can tell you this is one of the best tools out here today. Practice it on demo. It's the same tool I normally send Telegram signals, like right now. Once I click here, I input as admin my password, and then from there I'll be able to send the signal to Telegram and WhatsApp. And you can see we have time, okay? You can still see there's no rushing here. Conditions must be met. So once you come to the tool, once you see the signal, come and click auto scan and scan markets, and then wait for the market. Input your stake, wait for setup loaded, and then run the bot. Once these conditions are all met, it will start taking trades. Okay, guys? So far, we are not in any loss. And for the sake of the video being too long, the main theme was for you to understand how to operate and to know which even odd strategy we are using here. And I have shown you the guide. You can go through it. But this is the even odd pressure analysis strategy that you can use. Happy trading, good luck. Remember to like the video. Remember to subscribe. Remember to join the Telegram and WhatsApp groups, so whenever I release a video, you can get notified. Happy trading and good luck.